Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first we will be needing to have like a poll application or integration. So you can simply go to the apps or simply go from here and we will need just to add some application. So let's simply go to the application or apps and click on add apps. So from here we will need just to search for poll and basically we can choose anyone. So I'm just going with this simple poll and I'm just going to click on add. It will take us to the marketplace. I'm just going to click on add to Slack and then it will you will need just to allow it to be able to start creating here and basically you will need just to add your verification code that will be sent to your email and now we need just to continue with this one. So I'm just going to choose whatever they want from this here. I'm just going to have anything and click on continue. You can just click on continue and now we can continue to Slack. And basically now we will have in our uh, app or our integration that will be added to our working space. So let's just refresh and normally it should be here with the apps. So let's just click here and now we have our simple poll. So now we can simply either click create poll or we can go to a channel and normally we will be able to start creating a poll by inserting the slash and we click on poll. Now you will be able to start adding poll. So you can have your question. You can add select as many option, either only have one option or many option. Then you have option one, option two. You can add many things and you would have more settings and click on preview. Then create poll and it will be uh, sent. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.